I've saved this team. It's the last one, right? We've got the last. That's it. We're done through all. Because I don't know. I don't get it. You guys have to help me decode Rajasthan. This team that chases 190 one day, gets all out for 70. The swing is just like, woo. It's crazy. I don't get
just
it.
Like what?
It's like, woo.
Like what?
It's crazy. I don't get it.
Things we do on this program, man. Can you mind a cricket analysis show? What are Rajasthan Royals like? They go, woo. Anyway.
I'm just enjoying doing this really bad rendition of a siren dance.
My specialization is Ichhadari Nagins. So if you ever come to me, we shall talk. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I do that one.
Oh, I thought you were holding a catch.
This is the reverse cup. The reverse cup? Yeah, and this is what? Traditional cup? Coffee cup? Chai cup? I don't know what it is. But the Rajasthan team, please help. Please explain to me what's going on there.
Who bats 4, 5, 6, 7 for Rajasthan Royals? You know, they got Morris. Morris didn't work. Tewatia discovered too late. Miller has been in and out for a long time. Shivam Dubey played one innings that reminded us of what he can do. So suddenly, there's Evan Lewis, Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 3 is Sanju Samson, and they went Liam Livingstone. That didn't work. They went Chris Morris. That didn't work. Sometimes you can look at scores overseas and say, "Wow, what a player!" But I'll tell you one thing about playing this tournament. You're a young kid. Liam Livingstone has made 100 from 40 odd balls for England. But when you play this tournament, there are stars in your eyes. And you never, people think, oh, if I do well here, then, and sometimes you can just run ahead of the script. I think Rajasthan Royals need to invest in 4, 5, 6. And if you say, who are they going to retain? My gut feel is out of this entire team, they will retain one, and that's Sanju Samson. Because they will retain Butler and Archer. Two people who didn't come for them. So they probably retain Butler, Archer, and Sanju Samson. I mean, look at it this way. Sakaria, good season. The Fizz came back, good season. But in between, the people who are not contributing were just way too many.
Yeah, that's a solid problem. They just did. I mean, they dropped Chris Morris. They bought him for what, 15.5 crores? Was it at the auction?
The sum
16.
Cost fallacy.
Yeah. So, the just broke. It's the highest, right? Broke the record definitely for this season. It did. I remember Yuvraj going for 16 in one season. But these guys again, you felt in the first couple of games. You said, oh, it's almost a good thing that fine Butler couldn't make it. It's never a good thing, but hey, Evan Lewis came and Yashasvi Jaiswal is open, so that. Last season there was everybody opened, right, Joy? Everybody, Ben Stokes also opened, and Samson also, everybody just opened. So it felt like it was
the key player in every batting lineup. You go round a corner and you'll find a decent opening batsman in T20 cricket. That's why I keep saying again and again, your key player is number 4. 1, 2, 3, you will find enough of 6, 7. You go into the markets around the world, you will find who is that number 4 and how many of those number 4s exist today. Shreyas Iyer exists, Surya Kumar Yadav exists, and suddenly you're thinking, okay, it's like saying, I need to make 10 words in this jumble. I can do that, and you stop at 2. I think they need to invest in 4, 5. Not enough teams are investing in 4, 5. They're investing in 1, 2, 3, and suddenly 1, 2, 3 have a bad season or a bad game. There's no 4, 5, 6. There's nobody there.
Yeah.
So that is why I think you need a really good 4.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I'll tell you one more thing. When Rajasthan used to really succeed, they used to have good Indian batsmen. Even your first season, you look at it, Ravindra Jadeja and Yusuf Pathan played a huge part. There were serious players out there. And that's what they're not getting. Their only Indian batsman who's giving them consistency was Sanju Samson. I think Yashasvi is just about beginning to come on.
Yes.
But let's face it, overall his form has not been fantastic. You look at it over the season, he's had a couple of terrific matches. But it's not that he's given you runs over 14 matches. So their Indian batting has been almost zero. The international batsmen who they thought would come in and do something, unfortunately the replacements hasn't worked as well. I mean, I thought Evan Lewis again did something for a match, but Liam Livingstone completely flopped. And as Harsha was saying, I know the kind of pressures because it is the holy grail of international T20 cricket competitions is this tournament. So, they look at it wide-eyed. They are not that we look at international players and say they're cool, they're international players. Even international players, like, they're hard pounds when they come and play the IPL.